Picture yourself beneath a sky where the sun vanishes suddenly, transforming day into night and revealing gateways to the mysterious realms beyond, disclosing enigmas that elude our understanding. This encounter, when solar eclipses expose the delicate boundary between the seen and the unseen, extends an invitation to explore concealed secrets and prophetic insights. This presentation embarks on an investigative voyage to unveil the hidden significance of the April 8, 2024 eclipse, drawing inspiration from the writings of Aleister Crowley. Inspired by Crowley's accounts of receiving visions and messages from Aiwass, his spiritual guide, during the writing of the Book of the Law in 1904, we ponder the notion that life may hold deeper layers than meet the eye. Could celestial occurrences like eclipses carry encoded messages awaiting decryption? We shall delve into the intricate connections between the April 2024 eclipse and Crowley's mystical revelations, discerning how this celestial event may symbolize a juncture of spiritual metamorphosis and enlightenment in your personal journey. Are you prepared to unravel the cosmic enigmas and explore their resonance with your inner quest? As daylight surrenders to the shadowy embrace of a total solar eclipse, we witness more than a mere alignment of astronomical bodies. It's a timeless cosmic ballet, a convergence of sun, moon, and earth choreographed in light and shadow. Beyond its natural splendor, this event serves as a conduit to the mystical and metaphysical, blurring the boundaries between the material and the ethereal. Since antiquity, solar eclipses have been interpreted by civilizations worldwide as potent omens, heralding change and bearing profound significance. To ancient cultures, this twilight interlude was a divine communique, prompting contemplation and fostering a profound connection with the cosmos. In these moments of surreal darkness amid daylight, a tapestry of myths and traditions unfolds. As stars twinkle into view, they offer a fleeting glimpse of the boundless expanse enveloping us, a humbling reminder of our infinitesimal presence within the vast universe. Beyond its role as a spectacle to behold, the eclipse serves as a catalyst for introspection and personal evolution, inviting us to embark on a journey of inner transformation amidst the cosmic dance of light and shadow. Within the serene embrace of totality's darkness, there lies an invitation to contemplate our cosmic position, to delve into the depths of our inner selves, and to seek enlightenment amidst the shadows, guided by the beacon of expanded consciousness. Thus, the total solar eclipse emerges as a moment of profound spiritual import, urging us to transcend the confines of the known, to challenge the boundaries of our reality, and to embrace the revelations that this celestial alignment may unveil. It beckons us on a journey of exploration, where the ancient melds with the contemporary and the realms of science and spirituality intertwine, revealing hidden dimensions of existence beyond the mundane. In this nexus between the mystical and the earthly, the enigmatic figure of Aleister Crowley emerges as a towering symbol of modern occultism, his life and teachings a source of enduring fascination and inquiry. During 3 transformative days in April 1904, within the shadows of a dimly lit chamber in Cairo, Crowley professed to have acted as a conduit for a transcendent force known as Aiwass. This entity, heralded as a messenger from realms beyond human comprehension, imparted unto him what would become the Book of the Law, a text heralding the dawn of a new spiritual epoch for humanity. At its core, the central maxim of the book, "Do what thou wilt shall be the whole of the law," is often misconstrued as a manifesto of unchecked liberty. However, it is within the subtext, "Love is the law, love under will," that the true essence of this doctrine is revealed. For Crowley and his adherents, this was not a license for hedonism, but a mandate for the earnest pursuit and fulfillment of each individual's true will, an ideal believed to embody the purest expression of one's innermost essence. At the crossroads of epochs and beliefs, Aiwass transcended being a mere voice in the void. It emerged as the harbinger of Thelema, a philosophy challenging entrenched religious doctrines while advocating for a harmonious integration of opposites, material and spiritual. It guided individuals toward a profound self-awareness and a deeper comprehension of both themselves and the cosmos. The encounter between Crowley and Aiwass, culminating in the creation of the Book of the Law, signified a pivotal moment not only in Crowley's personal journey, but also in the trajectory of Western occultism. Introducing revolutionary concepts like the Aeon of Horus, Crowley catalyzed a re-evaluation of traditional spiritual paradigms, paving the way for a new era of individual spiritual exploration unfettered by imposed dogmas. Against this backdrop, the eclipse of April 8, 2024, assumes a multifaceted significance. Beyond its celestial grandeur, it symbolizes the interplay between light and darkness, the known and the unknown, the visible and the concealed. For scholars of Crowley and enthusiasts of the occult, this event serves as a poignant reminder of the cyclical nature of existence, a reflection of the timeless truths enshrined within the Book of the Law. The total solar eclipse of 2024 weaves a narrative deeply resonant with Crowley's revelations. It encapsulates the dichotomy of light and shadow, a recurring motif in Crowley's teachings, emblematic of humanity's perpetual quest for enlightenment and esoteric wisdom. But how can we interpret the celestial alchemy of this eclipse as a harbinger of Crowley's prophecies and a catalyst for personal and collective spiritual metamorphosis? Crowley envisioned the dawn of a new aeon, the Aeon of Horus, characterized by a departure from convention and a re-evaluation of the individual will's role in the spiritual odyssey. In this context, the eclipse serves as an astronomical reflection of this transition, a pivotal moment where antiquated beliefs and structures may dissolve, making room for the emergence of new truths amidst the darkness cast by the moon's shadow. Moreover, the presence of Comet 12P Pons Brooks during the eclipse adds a layer of esoteric significance, infusing the event with heightened mysticism. Throughout history, comets have been viewed as omens, and in this context, they can be interpreted as messengers of Thelema, illuminating the path through the darkness cast by the moon and signaling the necessity for acknowledgement and adaptation to forthcoming transformations. As the shadow of the total solar eclipse of 2024 traverses the heavens, the appearance of Comet 12P Pons Brooks, nicknamed the Devil's Comet due to its unexpected surge in brightness resembling demonic horns, imbues the event with a rich tapestry of occult symbolism. But how can we interpret the comet's journey near the eclipsed sun within the framework of occult traditions, particularly in relation to Aleister Crowley's prophecies and teachings? In occult lore, comets symbolize cosmic forces challenging established norms, catalyzing profound transformations. Thus, the presence of Pons Brooks against the backdrop of the eclipsed sky can be construed as a manifestation of Thelema, a philosophy advocating the pursuit of one's true will. The comet's celestial trajectory mirrors the central tenet of Thelema, urging individuals to transcend conventional limitations in pursuit of their deepest essence. This rare astronomical convergence, the alignment of a total solar eclipse with the visible path of a comet, invites contemplation as a moment of cosmic synchronicity, where the universe and the individual engage in a symbolic dialogue. For adherents of Crowley, this coincidence serves as a potent reminder of the interconnectedness of existence and the profound influence of celestial phenomena on human consciousness. As the veil of darkness recedes and the sun's brilliance returns after the 2024 total solar eclipse, we are prompted to reflect on the vastness of the cosmos and the intricacies of our own existence within it. Enriched by the presence of Comet Pons Brooks, this celestial event transcends mere spectacle, beckoning us to embark on a journey of introspection and spiritual awakening, echoing Crowley's teachings on the pursuit of the true will. Crowley's legacy, though controversial, inspires a quest for self-understanding and cosmic enlightenment. In this context, the 2024 eclipse serves as a tangible manifestation of the esoteric truths he explored, a cosmic symbol of the convergence of ancient wisdom and contemporary revelations. It mirrors the journey of self-discovery and spiritual evolution advocated by Crowley, reminding us of humanity's perpetual quest for enlightenment and alignment with our true purpose. Thus, the 2024 eclipse and the presence of Comet Ponce Brooks offer not only a moment for celestial observation, but also a pivotal juncture for personal and collective reflection on our spiritual journey and aspirations. As we gaze upon the spectacle unfolding in the heavens, we are encouraged to delve deeper into the mysteries that traverse time and space, guided by the wisdom embedded in the cosmic dance between heaven and earth, spirit and matter, the occult and the revealed.